Good morning, Crystal Lake Crocs, where we are considerate, responsible, organized, cooperative, and safe. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020, and our second day of digital learning. I'm your special host, Mrs. Hudson, and today is National Crayon Day, so pick your favorite waxy color and use it all day long. Please stand as we prepare for the pledge. Place your right hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Digital Learning Day 2. You guys were amazing. Even with the many morning technical difficulties that we had, you all rocked those lessons. A special thank you to our teachers who stood by you and supported you, to your moms and dads who, even though countless times they had to re-log in and support you with the login process and maybe navigating some of your instruction, you guys and they did amazing. Keep up the great work. Things will only get easier as we all learn to adjust to this new way of learning. iReady News, second grade. Give yourselves a big pat on the back and a round of applause. The most minutes in iReady reading and in math. Wow, guys, I'm super impressed. Now, other grade levels, don't let second grade show you up. Get those iReady minutes in. Make sure you're passing those lessons because you're trying your hardest and doing your best. Our spotlight student for our terrific Tuesday is a special friend from Miss Ashford's class. Look at him showing his work in math class. He's got those coins out to help him count. He's got his big whiteboard out to help show his work. Keep submitting those pictures and you might be our next spotlight student. Virtual field trips. Here's another amazing virtual field trip to the Georgia Aquarium. Wow, beluga whales. I love beluga whales. They're so beautiful. You can see baby otters and penguins and so much more. So when you take a break from your virtual learning today, make sure you stop by the Georgia Aquarium and see what awesome animals you can find. Today's weather, we will have a high of 89 degrees, just 2 degrees shy of today's hot high, and a low of 64 degrees, but still beautiful day to enjoy some time outside. Make sure you get out early before it gets too hot. The heat of the day is right there between noon and 4, so get out before that or maybe after dinner tonight, but enjoy some time with your family outside. Maybe pack a picnic lunch, help mom and dad decide what nutritious items you can eat for lunch today. Tech support. Guys, guess what? Reading counts tests can now be taken at home. How exciting is that? So get those books read. Remember that there's an awesome system called Overdrive that lets you read books online if you may have already finished your library book from school or all the books that you have at home. Check out Overdrive or the Sora app in your portal to learn more. Also, we've had a lot of emails coming into Mrs. Hudson and to your teachers about not being able to open Google files or requesting access. Please, please, please make sure you double check with that little icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen. It will say your initial. When you click on it, you'll see that you're logged in as you, or you might see that you accidentally are logged in as your sibling, or maybe mom or dad. A great idea is if you're not using a school device, if you're using your own personal device at home, that maybe you open different web browsers, so that way the web browsers can sync to you instead of you having to clear the cache or constantly remember to log yourself out. But again, if you need some assistance, please reach out. We are always happy to help. And Mr. Carver, please stay tuned and check us out on our Facebook page. Mr. Carver has spent some time reading an amazing story for you, and he's got an awesome contest that he'd love for you to enter. So stay tuned, listen to an excerpt from Mr. Carver's reading, and make sure that you join our challenge. And remember, today, have a terrific Tuesday. Always remember that we are considerate, responsible, organized, cooperative, and safe. Show your true colors.
So this special story is about a little boy named Ben.